Every modern enterprise runs entirely on identity, and because of that, every single identity represents a potential risk. For decades, security was built around a static, defendable perimeter. But under the constant pressure of modern compliance requirements and evolving threats, those rigid architectures are fracturing. In modern network topologies, as organizations adopt cloud infrastructure at scale, a single manageable wall breaks apart as access points multiply. Add AI agents into the system, and non-human entities execute tasks at high speeds, creating behavioral variables that bypass those old borders entirely. The old security stacks were built for a different world. Keeping pace with these threats requires an architecture designed for speed and convergence. This is where cross-identity comes in. We are an identity security company built to bridge the widening gaps in modern infrastructure. At our core, our operational mandate is strict governance. Redetermine exactly who has access to an enterprise's most critical systems. Today, non-human entities, machines, service accounts, and automated scripts require the same level of oversight as your human workforce. Managing risk requires governing the intersection of human intent, machine access, and critical infrastructure. We achieve convergence by pulling siloed environments, identity, cloud, and AI, into one unified platform. Identity secures access, tracking permissions for workforce, customers, and machines. Cloud maps active risk and operational spend. Finally, AI uses a continuous feedback loop, monitoring autonomous agent behavior in real time. By tracking all three areas simultaneously, the platform identifies anomalous actions the second they happen, catching threats before they can escalate into a network-wide incident. When these pillars are managed in isolation, security teams lose the visibility needed to spot complex attacks. Convergence provides the context necessary to act. Internal capabilities are only half the equation. At the enterprise scale, those capabilities require objective validation from external analysts. We have been recognized by KuppingerCole as a leader across three categories: IGA, IAG, and CIEM. Alongside that leadership standing, we are also recognized as a challenger in both access management and identity fabric. This recognition validates our ability to execute this converged model more effectively than legacy competitors. In today's world, technology alone doesn't secure global enterprise trust. That requires a rigorous, objectively verified compliance architecture. This matrix maps out that foundation. We hold international security certifications for ISO 27001, ISO 27017, and ISO 27018. We pair those with strict operational standards, including SOC 2 Type 2 and CSA STAR Level 2. Moving to regional frameworks, our U.S. operations map directly to CMMC 2.0 and NIST requirements. For the Indian market, our alignment covers RBI, IRDAI, SEBI CSCRF, and DPDPA. To complete the matrix, we align with IFRS globally and the Essential 8 framework in Australia. This mapping ensures that enterprises can scale their operations globally without hitting bottlenecks from regional regulatory gaps. While the threats and the compliance frameworks are highly technical, our mission is straightforward. We want to return simplicity to identity security, because no matter how complex the digital landscape becomes, establishing institutional trust should not be a complicated process. We provide a platform that is simple to use, fully converged, and designed specifically for decentralized identity and machine speed threats. This is cross-identity. Secure every identity, human, machine, or AI. Talk to us today.